guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle, and today I have a cook and clean for you. So if y'all are interested in seeing the things I'm cooking and how I'm cleaning, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back. So today is Sunday and it is the finale of Game of Thrones. So in true Danielle fashion, we are going to cook and we are going to have a little viewing party for me, my husband, and my sister. And yeah, so we're cooking, we're barbecuing, we're having a good time, and I'm gonna share with you all the things we're cooking. Usually on Sundays, like I've always done, we cook kind of big, so we have leftovers for during the week. Today is also special because it is a collaboration with my girl Missy from over at The Welder's Wife. If you guys have not checked my girl out, sorry, you need to, because my girl is bomb. I absolutely love her. She's really known for her what's for dinners, and she's not keto. You guys know I'm keto, but I love the fact that she kind of throws things together that are affordable, easy. She's a working mom, you know, she got kids, she got a husband, she's living life, but she's showing you how to do it on a budget and super realistically. And I just like her personality. I dig her. I'm here for her. You guys will love her. So let's go on over. Let's say what's up to my girl. And don't forget to tell her I sent you. If you guys are from Missy's channel, hello, my name is Danielle and we friends around here, honey. Not fake friends, we real friends. And it's a good time. So I would love for you guys to stick around and hang out. But all right, let's start cooking. I'll see you guys throughout the video, okay? All right, bye. So we are going ahead and we're starting dinner. Well, Leo's starting dinner. He's gonna go outside and grill up all this stuff. So right here, he has ribeye steaks. So it was a what is it called, the roast that he had?
It was a bone-in rib roast.
A bone-in rib roast, and he went ahead and sliced them into steaks. He is making a garlic butter spread to put on top of them. So that's one thing. We usually cook bigger on Sundays so we can have leftovers on Monday and like leftovers for the week for meals. And then here we have a country style pork steak, right?
Country style ribs.
Oh, country style ribs.
Country style ribs and boneless pork steak.
And boneless pork steaks. He gets mad that I don't know all the different cuts of meat, but I just don't know. But yeah, so we have that. That's gonna go on the grill, and there's also some chicken drumsticks for my daughters. Those are actually being marinated in a little Italian dressing. I'm not gonna have those, but we do have them. I'll go ahead and show you how he preps those. So what you put in here, babe?
It's actually just chopped garlic, lemon juice, and a little bit of olive oil and some salt, pepper.
Oh, we can actually have those then. Yeah, so, oh, that looks good though. Look at all that fresh garlic and stuff. Ooh, okay. So yeah, these can be on the menu too. Usually we used to always just marinate them in a little Italian dressing, but this way is even better. So yeah, this looks good. And then we're gonna have some like cream, how do you want to call them? Like, I do like a cream cheese radish mix for a side, and we're gonna do cucumbers and onions. Rhea made some like, what do you call your stuff?
Cheesecake mousse.
Cheesecake mousse, and with strawberries for dessert. And we're gonna do some fried up onions, and I got some of these fresh portobello mushrooms. So yeah, it's gonna be really good. This is Sunday, guys, and this is the last day of Game of Thrones, so we like go big or go home. But all right, I will kind of take you guys throughout the day and kind of show what we're doing. We're gonna get started on some of the side salads. So first thing we're going to do is the cucumbers and onions, except we're not gonna do onions. I've made this on my channel before. I grew up on this. It's really easy. So basically you're just gonna go ahead and take how many cucumbers you want. I have 4 large ones, and you're going to peel them and just toss them in a bowl. Add a little bit of sour cream just to coat it, you know, however much or little you want. And add some seasoning salt. So let's cut these up. All right, so I'm gonna use some Daisy sour cream. I prefer Daisy over the other brands because Daisy is only 1 carb per serving. I'm gonna take me just one of these little spoons here and get ourselves a dollop of Daisy. I'm so funny. You're gonna mix this all in, and then it's gonna thin out because the cucumbers obviously have a ton of water in them, and then we'll add the seasoning salt. I probably could have used a bigger bowl, but you know, everybody's cooking today, and I threw out half my bowls when I cleaned out the cabinet. Like an idiot. Okay, so that's how it looks all mixed up, and then you could always add more seasoning salt. I always tend to go a little light, and then I add more towards the end, because the longer it sits in the fridge, the more water the cucumbers will give off. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw this in the fridge for, you know, a couple hours until dinner's ready. And we're gonna start on our other side, which is going to be our radishes. So this is great. This is a family favorite. Barbecues, holidays, just for the kids. Everybody loves this. Really, really keto friendly, really inexpensive, and easy. And that's all my criteria. So here is one of our sides for what's for dinner. All right, next up for our side is going to be our radishes. You know, these are a great substitute for potatoes. So I'm gonna dice these up. They're already cleaned and everything. I'm gonna dice them up, and then we're gonna throw them in. We're gonna use a wok because I like cooking with that, with a little bit of oil in there. And we're gonna add a little bit of cream cheese, and some garlic, and we're gonna top it with a little salt and pepper, and it's really, really good. So let's get these. The cutting of the radishes is actually the most time consuming, so let's get these cut up. All right, so I got my wok out, and I'm gonna start on my radishes. So I'm taking a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, coat the bottom, I guess. And then I wanna get this warmed up. So I want to get it warmed up, and then once it like starts like popping, I'll drop the radishes in there, and I'm gonna cook them probably for about 20 minutes. Like, I want them super, super soft. What my trick is to make these like kind of like a creamy potato is I'm gonna add some sour cream cheese, just a couple of them, just to melt down, and it really makes it. First off, it's way more filling because you're gonna have that extra fat in there, and it's really just a good side for dinner. They're so good. Everybody loves them. It's like literally became a family favorite. So at our local grocer, they had a 5-cent sale, so radishes were a part of it, so I stocked up just to have this like for like a meat and potato type dinner option. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this oil warmed up, and we're gonna get it on and pop. Okay, here we go. Oh, I hope Benny doesn't get that.
What?
All right, so what I do is I just go ahead and I stir them, so I make sure like every little bit is gonna get covered in the oil. And we're just gonna let them cook on a medium heat. Like I said, for about 20 minutes. You're gonna want them really soft. That's the way Leo, I like mine to have a little bit more of a bite, but Leo feels like they still taste too much like a radish. So I cook them down to where they're real soft for him, because he'll enjoy them the most. All my kids eat these too, guys, so if you're afraid that the kids won't eat them, my girls actually will. So all right, we're gonna cook these down, and then I'll see you when they're ready for the cream cheese. Ooh, honey. Okay, so these are about, I want to say about 15 minutes in. I kind of want them all to get like that roasted color before I add my cream cheese. I'm gonna add about 1.5 ounces, so that'll be about 3 carbs, okay? You could add more, you could add less, whatever floats your boat. Or you don't have to add any at all and just season it, whatever you feel like. But these actually taste really good too if you have some bacon grease on hand. We do not, so that's why we did the oil. But you see, radishes, I know people think I cut up a ton, but they really shrink down, guys, so you might. So let me show you, okay, so here are some vegetables Leo just put on the grill in a pan and steamed them. This is onions, mushrooms, and some zucchini, yellow and green. And then here's the chicken drumsticks, looking hella fire. And there's some the pork steaks, the oh gosh, the prime rib steak. I don't know what they're called. I forget now. And then some hot dogs. So yeah, and then he's still finishing up the ribs out there. So I get confused on the names of meat, so that's why I usually have Leo around to help me. But this is what dinner's looking like. We're gonna have dinner, and then I'm having some coffee right now. We're gonna have dinner, and then we'll clean up, and then it's gonna be Game of Thrones time, baby. I am so excited for this last episode. So when this video premieres, or comes out, girl, like I'm Warner Brothers or something. But anyways, after this video comes out, it's obviously gonna already be over. So, gosh, what do you guys think about the ending? I don't know how this is gonna end, but gosh, it's gonna, I don't know what we're gonna see. So it's gonna start, the cream cheese will start to melt in, and then we'll kind of judge it and see if it needs more. So you just kind of use your judgment. The heat will melt down. You can see half the oil is already gone. So it's just gonna make them a little bit creamy. And then I will top it with a little bit of garlic and some salt and pepper. These would also be good if you had some fresh Parmesan cheese. And you could grate that on there as well. But alright, so we're going to cook this down, and when you just kind of keep stirring it to make sure everything just melts down, and then we'll come back and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so this is what we are looking like here. Like I said, guys, radishes, when they are cooked, they really cook down to nothing. You can even add some chunks of bacon in here if you wanted, or onion, or whatever your little corazon desires, but this is what we are going to have. So we're gonna wait for Leo to finish up. We're gonna go sit down and eat. I'll show you a plate. Go ahead and I'll kind of show you what we all have for dinner. And then we're gonna sit down and eat, and then we're gonna do a kitchen cleanup. And that's gonna be it, honey. Dinner is looking real good tonight. So here is my plate. I have some of the vegetables, some of the pork ribs, but I put about 2 tablespoons of the Hugh sugar-free barbecue sauce, a little bit of the sour cream and mushrooms, and a little small piece of the steak. So that's my plate. Try to get you guys a good view here, but oh, and I have a little bit of the radish underneath. So that's it. That's what's for dinner. So we're gonna eat, and then I'll be back shortly to clean this mess up. Okay, so you see this dessert here. You see this dessert here, guys? This is a cheesecake mousse with fresh strawberries all cut up. And that is the chef who made it. Rhea, tell them about what you made.
Okay, it's a lemon cheesecake mousse. I don't know, it's just a recipe I found on the internet. And it's a total of 6 carbs for the entire thing. And
so this whole bowl is 6 carbs.
And it has a total of 6 servings in it, so that's 1 carb per serving. Super easy to make. It only takes about 3 hours in total, but 2 of those hours is with the chilling. And yeah, it's pretty good. I recommend having it with strawberries, but you can eat it by itself with strawberry sauce. But
yeah, so here is our desserts. You guys can do strawberries, blueberries, what are the other, all the berries, raspberries, blackberries, and do like a whole thing. But guys, this would be awesome for Memorial Day, just because you can do like the red, the white, and then have another layer of blue. Would be really, really cute. So my girl made that. We're gonna go ahead and leave that in the fridge to chill, but I tried it and it's awesome. So thanks, baby girl. Look at that.
okay, so I'm so excited. I'm trying to be quiet, but I don't know how to film things. But we just finished dinner. It was really good. I personally recommend my strawberry mousse because it's pretty good. But if you don't like strawberries, use it with any other fruit or eat it by itself. Because it does have a lemon zest, so it's a lemon cheesecake. And you don't have to cook it or anything, which I like about it too, because I'm not allowed to use the oven. So yeah, I recommend it. As you can see, I put away all the food in the fridge. So everything's all cooked, all put away. And now all you do is dishes.
All right, so we're gonna get started on the cleaning part. So you can see Rhea did her little intro there, and we are gonna start just by cleaning the dishes. We do not have a dishwasher, so it is Rhea's job or her chore after dinner to put put away the dishes in the strainer and then obviously wash the ones that are in the sink. So she's going to go ahead, she's going to get that done, and then I'm going to come in and we're going to start cleaning off the rest of the cabinets. This is not going to be a deep clean, guys. This is just going to be a pick up after dinner so you can relax. Okay, so if you don't follow my girl Missy on Instagram, you need to, because she was talking about this Fabuloso. We have used this for years, but I've never used this like lemon scent. So she's always talking about it. I seen it, I picked it up. So I've been using it as a multi-purpose cleaner as well, just to kind of clean off all the grease and stuff like that on the countertops because, you know, cooking. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit in this glass spray bottle and then add some warm water. And we're going to use that to surface clean. I'm just going to clean off the basics, just kind of a rough clean, just so I can sit down and relax tonight and not feel like I'm laying in, you know, a big old dirty house. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this cleaning, give you a little cleaning inspiration, I guess, just to maybe get up and wipe your counters down. I feel like just doing these minimal acts of cleaning really make a big difference, because I will show you at the end what the house looks like and you're going to be like, oh, okay, yeah, it doesn't look bad. I do have to sweep and or vacuum every day. My dog is shedding. He's a mix of Cocker Spaniel and Chihuahua, and he is like hella shedding right now. So yeah, we gotta vacuum or sweep every day. So you'll see me doing that as well. And then we're just gonna relax. All right, let's continue on.
Dance around your feet until the beat start again. Oh, and then do it the same. Magnetized, you feel a big appeal, flying high. Oh, just like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Heading for the street into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Your hands are full of matches, and you just can't seem to let them go. And when the fire catches, you'll be on your.
Okay, so you guys seen some cooking, you seen some cleaning, you seen my kids picking up, doing some work, and we're about to wrap this up because we're gonna watch Game of Thrones. And yeah, if you guys watched it, comment down below what you think. What you think? Tell me what your thoughts. But all right, I love you guys, and please make sure to go ahead and visit my girl Missy. And thank you, Missy, for collaborating with me. I honestly think you are a true breath of fresh air, and I dig everything about you and how real and just sweet you are. So thank you for hanging out with me. But yeah, all right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.